Hi there, it's Hannah with WTI.
Can you have too many colorful ink pens in your life? I think not. And I have a great set that you need to add to your collection. This is a 12-pack of gel ink pens by XIZE, and let me say, they write so smoothly. They are 0.38 millimeter ends, and so while they write super smooth, I noticed a lot of reviews say they had a problem with it. The only time I had problems is if I tried to do this. And because the tip is so tiny, it couldn't keep up with the ink flow. But if I'm writing a regular pace, they are so smooth and I had no problems with them skipping. This is how tiny the little ends are. So if you like to write really precise or you have very little room to write, these are perfect. I also appreciate that the tops click onto the back very easily so you're not losing the tops, especially when I let my daughter use them. The colors are very fun and very bright. They have made writing on my habit tracker much more enjoyable. They just make everything more fun when you add a little bit of color. So if you're looking for some more pens, these are a great set to add.
But that's just my point of view.